Now I'm coming to the most important topic of today's. One of the most important topics जो मैं बताना चाह रहा था. Now there is a technique, one more technique by which you can do more smarter and faster work in MS Word. Now remember a situation if you're working in an office, okay, you always have some formats already, right? आपके पास हमेशा कुछ ना कुछ ऐसे you have some formats that you all मतलब जब भी आप ऑफिस में काम करोगे आपको वो बनाना ही पड़ेगा, है ना? समझ में आ रही है बात?
हाँ सर.
Like Naga Divya. Naga Divya is working in an office, so what she will do, Naga Divya? She is working an assistant manager, assistant manager, assistant manager, and TCS Hyderabad. Okay, so what I can do, मैं इसे select करता हूँ. I'll just go to this color, little bit, and then go to this one, line spacing, single. Okay. Same way, Nikita. Nikita, she is the HR of Infosys. Infosys and go for the next Hyderabad. Okay. Up this thing you will always require now whenever you are writing a letter to anybody or any applications like regards सबका लिखा होना चाहिए, right?
हाँ सर.
I mean this you always need. This you will always need whenever you are writing something in MS Word or whenever you are writing an application. And what we can do, we can do it little faster. See, Hyderabad spelling is okay. Select it. Okay. Remember the steps. Select this one. Let's stop this recording and start again so that we have to choke out it. So first of all, what we have to do, select this, go to insert. Could you see this near the text box, this quick parts? Click on the quick part, okay? Then go to save selection to quick part gallery. Could you see this?
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Click on this one. Write a name here. Like I will write Divya. Okay, because it's her, so I'll write Divya. And I will just click OK. Simple. Now, I'll just now select this one. I'll go there, save selection to quick gallery. I'll write Nikita. Spelling is okay. I'll just and then click OK. Now I'm done. So whenever I need Divya's letter, then I will write Divya and I'll just press F3 on my keyboard. See, I will write Divya and I'll just press F3.
Pardon sir, what did you do?
I will just write the
F3.
name. Yeah, I'll just write the name and just press F3. Okay. If I need Nikita,
Okay,
I will write Nikita and I'll just press F3. See, there comes up Nikita. है ना? Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
So this way,
Yes,
you can save different formats in your Word, right? And you can make your work faster. Similarly, now if I need a table, okay, I always keep some record of my students. So for that, I will always need this kind of formats: course, address, and contact number. है ना? With a proper, just color it. मुझे इस तरह के कुछ I will always need this kind of things. है ना? I will always need that whenever I need to create the keep the records of the students. So what I can do, I will click here. I will go to insert. I will go to quick parts. Save selection to quick part gallery. I will write a name like what can I write name? Jyoti. Okay, I write a name, Jyoti, and I will choose a quick part दिख रहा है gallery में. I will choose a table.
हाँ सर.
Tables. Could you see this table? Tables पे click करो and then click OK. Once it is done, remove. And whenever in this table, write Jyoti and then press F3. See? आ रहा है ना? है ना? बात समझ में आ रही है? So now how will you create मतलब आपको पता कैसे चलेगा? How will get to know कि which of these we can create? Like तो आप देखो यहाँ पे when you are going to go for table, quick tables, you could find Jyoti here. दिख रहा है? Could you say this?
Yes, sir.
So wherever you will find this kind of things like save selection to quick tables gallery. Same in the header footer also, save selection to header gallery, save selection to footer gallery. No, page numbers we don't have. Save selection to text box gallery. So you can create your own formats, own text box, anything, and you can save it. Got that? You can save your headers also, you can save your footers also, you can save your tables also. Are you getting my point? So this will make your work a bit faster. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
चलो. You can also create watermarks. Let me tell you that also. Okay. Let me use this one. Okay, I will just create it like Mahindra. थोड़ा सा बड़ा कर देते हैं. What I will do, I will bring it here और मैं इसे थोड़ा सा कर देता हूँ यहाँ पे. I just want a little lighter so that it looks lighter. Okay. Now I will select this one, and what I will do, I will go to insert, quick parts, save selection to quick part gallery, Mahindra. Okay, let it be Mahindra, and there you could see the watermark. See, click on the watermark. Okay, okay. So now whenever I want to put this watermark, I have that option. See, if I go to design, if I go to watermark, could you see this Mahindra? है ना?
Yes, sir.
आप
हाँ,
click
sir.
करो and there you are. देखो महिंद्रा आ गया पीछे में सबके, है ना? You don't need to create each and every time, है ना? So आप इस तरह के कुछ छोटे-छोटे, you can save this kind of small things which will always help you in making your work faster in MS Word. Okay? Done?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.